Keblay Piboro, Kibajupet, Yakane ke channel, Malakapor, Shakapor. Yakane ke video kebamta ngan pentip Shafi Yaki Khobor Lekam, Balapanmi Daka, NIT National Institute of Technology Meghalaya, Recruitment Rajar Apsau. Kalapanmi Kandai Teliki Post, Nakamta Kipus, Technical Assistant Technician in Department of Electronic and Communication Engineering, Technician in Department of Computer Science Engineering, Technician in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Technician in Department of Electrical Engineer, Superintendent Sembat Junior Assistant. Dia kini kipus papia ban apply. Kidon nado ke kelas 10, kelas 12, sejurong papia ban apply. Tila dadan na pedang jongpi kiwakpa ban apply kini kipus. Dia sampai kini ke video hado benakut kenang berpensi utho kambne hakiwedei hakabayadei bat kini kipus. Tekumbang lada benong baka National Institute of Technology Meghalaya kakot online application from Indian National Processing Requisite Academic Qualification Experience but ke age limit for appointment to various non-faculty position on regular basis as follows. Jika last date ban submit yaki application bat kin pedang nahadu ka katarik benai bakadway arajar arsau. Temen ta ngin ya page no yaki post bat kiwe ki jingdan kam. Kapus Banikong Technician Assistant in Department of Electrical Engineering. Number of posts iway UR category over age limit nahadu laipusnam kasalari pay level 6 laipusan hajar sauspa required qualification ban experience. Pidai berpendap ya grade in BTech BE haka Electrical Engineering haka no ka University lane Institute. Lane diploma haka Electrical Engineering with excellent academic record. Kapus Baar Technician in Department of Electronic but Communication Engineering. Number of posts iway UR category over age limit ado arpunyusnam kasalari pay level 3 arpuejar nyuspa required qualification but experience. Pidai ban pendep yaka kelas 12 haka sayan from a government recognized board but pidai ban yo 20% mark sejurong. Lane kelas 12 haka government recognized board but pidai ban yo 100% mark sejurong. But ITI course of 1 year or higher duration in electronic but communication engineering. Lane kelas 10 but pidai ban yo 100% mark but ke ITI certificate arsnam haka electronic but communication engineering. Lane diploma haka engineering license haka electronic but communication engineering haka government recognized polytechnic lane institute. Kapus Balai Technician in Department of Computer Science Engineering. Number of posts artili UR iway ST iway. Upper age limit arpunyusnam yaki UR kategori 4 lai pu arsnam yaki SC ST kategori. Kasalari kadai pay level 3 arpuejar nyuspa. Required qualification but experience. Pidai berpendap yaka kelas 12 haka science stream haka no ka government recognized board but pidai ban yo 100% mark sejurong. Lane kelas 12 but pidai ruban yo 100% mark but ka ITI course system lane highest duration in computer science engineering. Lane kelas 10 pass but pidai ban yo 100% mark but ka ITI certificate arsnam haka computer science lane engineering. Lane diploma haka engineer license haka computer science haka government recognized polytechnic lane institute. Kapus Basau Technician in Department of Mechanical Engineering. Number of posts iway UR iway over age limit arpunyusnam kasalari pay level 3 arpuejar nyuspa required qualification but experience. Pidai berpendap yaka kelas 12 haka sayan but pidai ban yo 100% mark sejurong. Lane kelas 12 haka government board but 100% but ka ITI course haka system lane higher duration haka mechanical engineer. Lane kelas 10 pass but pidai ban yo 100% mark but ka ITI certificate arsnam haka mechanical engineer. Lane diploma haka engineering license haka mechanical engineer haka government recognized polytechnic lane institute. Kapus basan technician in Department of Electrical Engineer, number of posts UA ST UA. Upper age limit, life arsenam, salary pay level 3, arpuejar newspa. Required qualification but experience. Kelas 12 HK sayan bat pidai banyo 20% mark sejrong. Lane kelas 12 bat pidai banyo 100% mark but ITI course system lane higher duration HK electrical engineer. Lane kelas 10 pas bat pidai banyo 100% mark but ka ITI certificate arsnem HK electrical engineering. Lane diploma HK engineering license HK electrical engineering HK government polytechnic lane institute. Kapus bahan rew superintendent, number of post UA UR category. Upper age limit arpunyusnem ka salary kadai pay level 6 laipusan hajar sauspa. Required qualification but experience. Pidai mapende beka bachelor or its equivalent hakano ka university lane institute hakano ka stream papi pule. Lane master degree hakano ka stream from a recognized university lane institute. Matpidai rubanyo 100% mark or its equivalent grade. Matpidai rubandon kajingtip sepang ki komputer kum ka word processing spreadsheet. Kapus bahanyo junior assistant, number of posts artiliki post UR iway ST iway. Upper age limit arpunyusnem yaki UR but life arsenem yaki ST category. Ka salary kadai pay level 3 arpuejar newspa nangta ka required qualification but experience. Pidai mapendep ya ka kelas 12 hakano ka recognize board but pidai rubanang bantaj lai pusan word haka siminit but kumju kajingtip sepang ki komputer kum ka word processing but spreadsheet. Desirable pidai banang ru akiwe ki komputer skill but stenography skill. Dikum no bapen apply yakini ki post. Interest and eligible candidate ki haban apply online HKN IT recruitment portal. Dengan sabu hapo ka description below yaka website. Candidates who qualify for the written test are to produce all original certificate, testimonial extra for verification before appearing the skill trade test. Ki candidate ki ba qualify yaka written test ki haban submit yaki original document pat kiwe. Ka application fee nakam takini ki post kadai arspa atingka. As per rule, no fee is required for women, SC, ST, PWD or ex-servicemen. Applicant yaki kentay SC, ST candidate but ex-service amdun kam bansew. Tetang kini kecing pentip hakawedai bat kine keblesibon ngin saya kendupat.